Hi guys, I come bearing great news. It should cheer you up. MH-CET has been postponed. Yes, it will not be conducted on 2nd of April. It will now be conducted on the 20th. So make sure that you're utilizing these additional number of days in the best possible manner. Also, I've been getting a lot of questions about how the paper is going to be, like the difficulty level. And it is nearly impossible, honestly, to say something like this beforehand. But if we analyze the past year trends, I can say that MH-CET is an exam which is neither very difficult nor very easy. It lies somewhere in the middle. But unlike CLAT, legal reasoning is not the determining factor in MH-CET. No. In legal and GK, every candidate is more or less on the same level preparation-wise. But if your logical is strong, you can qualify this exam with a great score. तो मेक श्योर कि आप केडी सर को फॉलो कर रहे हैं, यू आर वॉचिंग ऑल हिज वीडियोस. जो क्वेश्चंस और जो कैटेगरी के क्वेश्चंस वो आपको बताते हैं प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए, MH-CET के लिए जो भी क्वेश्चंस इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, मेक श्योर दैट यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग ऑल दोज क्वेश्चंस. मेक योर लॉजिकल द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट बिफोर you take this exam, and I am promising that it will get you the college of your dreams. Okay, so good luck everyone, take care, bye bye.